Hello there, I'm a macrophage representing the immune boost group. Today, our aim is to explain about primary immune response and secondary immune response. Before that, I'm going to be explaining about the humoral immune response as it is relevant for understanding the topic. When a pathogen invades the body, I will engulf and degrade the pathogen into antigen pieces. Then, a class 2 MHC molecule will bind with the antigen and display it on my surface. This triggers helper T cell to bind with it and with the aid of CD4. Then I will secrete IL-1 to activate helper T cell. The activated helper T cell will then proliferate and differentiate into memory helper T cell and activate helper T cell. When the pathogen also will come across B cell and bind to IgM receptor on the surface of B cell. After that, the pathogen is degraded by B cell through endocytosis. It will then also present as a class 2 MHC antigen complex on the surface of the B cell. The activated helper T cell will then bind to the complex and secrete IL-2. IL-2 activates the B cell. The activated B cell proliferates and differentiates into plasma cells and memory B cells. The plasma cells then secretes antibody that bind with the antigen.
It will kill all the antigen there. The memory B cell will also keep data and the image of the antigen when there is a second infection.
The memory B cell then collected the data and image of the pathogen will secrete IgG that binds with the antigen.
After watching our video, let's make a conclusion to compare primary and secondary immune response so that you can be more clear about the differences between these two immune response. This is the graph that shows the antibody concentration of primary and secondary immune response. During the initial exposure to antigen A, primary immune response will occur, produce antibodies to A. Antibody concentration will undergo lag phase, increase slightly, peak about 10 to 17 days, then decrease slightly. After secondary exposure to same antigen, which is antigen A, antibody concentration will increase faster and reach a higher level, peak about 2 to 7 days, then decrease slightly, but still able to maintain for a long period. If there was exposure to another antigen, antigen B, primary immune response will occur to produce antibodies B. Now, let's revise back the important points for primary and secondary immune response. Primary immune response is short-lived response, while secondary immune response is long-lasting response. Primary immune response is slow immune response, which is slow production of antibody, while secondary immune response is fast immune response, which is fast production of antibody. Primary immune response has longer lag phase, while secondary immune response has short lag phase. Small amounts of antibody produced during primary immune response, while large amounts of antibody produced during secondary immune response. Over time, antibody level for primary immune response will decline, while antibody level for secondary immune response remain high for longer time. The first antibody produced during primary immune response mainly is IgM, while the antibody produced during secondary immune response is mainly IgG. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.